Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change substitutions players in eFootball 2027 mobile. So here follow these steps. So go to my team, then go to game plan, then click on your team and then click on in match roles. Then go all to the bottom and here you can see player to join attack 1, player to join attack 2 and player to join attack 3. It is selected none. So you can select 3 substitution players. So first tap on the player to join attack 1. Now from here you can select the players. So select the player and then click on done. Now tap on the player to join attack 2 option. Then select next player, click on done and then click on player to join attack 3 and then select the another player and tap on done. So this is how you can change substitution players in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.